Let's go to page 116 and start with number 1. It said, find the slope of the line containing given points if the line has no slope, right vertical. Okay, so number 1, you got 3, 1, and 5, 5. Okay, so you can let your point 1, point 2, so x1, y1, x2, y2. Now you don't have to write all these, okay, but I'm just writing it so you can easier for you to follow. So since 2 points are given, you have to use m equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So substitute all the numbers in. So you got 5 minus 1, 5 minus 1 over 5 minus 3. So slope equal to 4 over 2. So slope equal to 2. Okay. Okay, number 3. You have 4, negative 1 and negative 2, 3. Okay, again, slope equal to, I'm just using the same one, so be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so slope equal to 4 over, so this would be a negative 6, and so m equal to negative 2 over 3. Okay. Okay. Okay, number 5. Here you got 3, negative 4, 3, negative 2. So slope equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so you're going to end up with 2 over 0. So this one is undefined. In that case, they want you to write as a vertical. So answer will be vertical. Okay. Number 7. You have 3 over 2. So 3 over 2, negative 3. And you got 1/2, negative 7. Okay, so again, slope equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so slope equal to, okay, so this will give you negative 4. You just add this together. And on the bottom, you're going to get 2 over 2, which is equal to 1. So slope equal to just negative 4. Right? 2 over 2 is 1. And oh, this is negative. Okay, so this will negative. So negative 4 over negative 1 will give you positive 4. Okay. Okay, next one. Okay, number 9. You have 6, negative 5, and you have negative 4, 3. Okay, so slope equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so slope equal to 8 over negative 10. So slope equal to negative 4 over 5. Okay. Okay, number 11. Okay, you got A, B, you got B, A, and it says A not equal to B. So this will tell you that, so that you don't end up with a 0 over 0. Okay, so slope equal to, okay, so y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so you got slope equal to A minus B over B minus A. Okay, so what you need to do is go and kind of switch this. Well, when it's the opposite, when you cancel, you're going to end up with negative 1. So there's something you need to be aware of. Okay, so when you have the same letter but they are flip it over, it's negative 1. Okay? So if you don't believe that, this is what you do. Okay? Go ahead and factor the negative 1 from the top. So if you factor the negative 1, then you're going to get negative a plus b, right? Factor the negative 1. And then you flip this over. Okay? And so this will cancel out. So slope equal to negative 1. Okay? Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, so this one you have x plus y equal to 7. So now when you have 2 points, you use this method. When you have equation, you have to use m equal to negative a over b. Okay, so m equal to negative. Now make sure you put negative out here so you don't lose track of your negative, especially if you have negatives over here. Okay, so a is a number in front, so you don't see it means it's 1. B is a number in front, so it's 1. So slope equal to negative 1. Okay. Okay, number 15. You have 2x plus 4y equal to 5. Okay, so slope equal to negative a over b. So slope equal to negative a is 2, b is 4. So slope equal to negative 1 over 2. So you can, it's very quick if you know what you're doing. Okay. Okay, number 17. You have 3x minus 3y equal to 5. So slope equal to negative a over b. So slope equal to negative a is 3, b is negative 3. Okay, so I'm going to do that so you can see that this is this, this is that. Okay, so slope will equal to, this will cancel out, so equal to 1. Okay. Okay, number 19. You got x equal to 3y plus 2. So first you need to put in the standard form, so you need to move this over. So minus 3y on both sides. So you get x minus 3y equal to 2. So now you can use slope equal to negative a over b. So slope equal to negative, a is 1, right? It's 1 over here. B is negative 3. So slope will equal to 1 over 3. Okay. Okay. Let's go to 21. You have 1/2 x plus 1/3 y equal to 1. Now in this case, if you can do it immediately, but okay, I'm going to do both methods, okay? So I'm going to do m equal to negative a over b. So m equal to negative, a is 1/2, b is 1 over 3. Okay, so this is a complex fraction. So to simplify that, you use the outer over inner. So outside, so 3 times 1 give you 3. So outside goes on the top, the inside goes on the bottom. So 1 times 2 give you 2, and that's it. Okay. Another option is, if you don't know how to simplify complex fraction, another option is you get rid of the fraction. So common denominator is 6. So I'm going to multiply everything by 6. Okay. So this we cancel out. So I get 3x. This cancel out. I get 2y equal to 6. So you can multiply by common denominator to get rid of the fraction. And now we can apply that. So equal to negative a over b. So slope equal to negative. So a is 3. B is 2, and that's it. So you get the same answer. Okay, so you can do it either way. Okay, okay, 23. You have x over negative 1 plus y over 6 equal to 1. Okay, so in this case, so probably it's easier if you multiply by the common denominator to get rid of the fraction. So I'm going to multiply everything by 6. So this one becomes negative 6x This cancel out, so plus y equal to 6. Okay, and then after that, you can go and use m equal to negative a over b. So slope equal to negative, so a is negative 6, b is 1, and so the slope will equal to positive 6. Okay. Okay, number 25, you have the point at 0, 2, and slope equal to 1. It says, graph the line through P having slope n, find the coordinate of 2 other points on the line. Okay, so let's go and graph that. So that's your x, that's your y. So 0, 2 is right over here, so that's your starting point. Now the slope does not have a fraction, so you need to make into a fraction. Okay, so it's 1 equal to 1 over 1. So that means you go up 1, go over 1. Okay, so up 1 over 1 would be right over here. And you can just repeat the pattern. So you can go up 1. You can repeat the pattern as many times as you want. And since you want the coordinate of 2 other points, so here's your 0, 2. So the next point would be 1, 3, and 2, 4. Okay, so you can use up 1 over, so up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, and that is your graph. Okay, and that's it. Okay. Okay, let's go to number 27. So the point is at 3, comma, negative 1, slope equal to negative 2. Okay, so let's go ahead and graph this. So 3, 1, 3, negative 1. Okay, so that's your 3, comma, negative 1. Okay, and you just follow that. So this is equal to 2, negative 2 over 1. So that means you have to go down 2, go over 1. Right? Negative, you have to go down. Okay. I'm going to run out of space, so you know what? I'm going to do it the other way. I'm going to go up this way instead. So I'm going to make slope equal to 2 over negative 1. Now remember, negative can go on the top or the bottom, right? Because when you go negative, you're just going this way. Okay? If you put this way, you're going this way. Since I'm running out of space over here, I'm going to go this way instead. So that means I have to go up 2, go to the left 1. Okay? So go up 2. So go up 2 over 1. So that's my next point. So it would be 2, comma, 1. Okay? And I go up 2. Go up 2, go over 1, right over here. And that next point would be 1, comma, 3. Right? Again, they should all be on a straight line. Okay? Okay, and that's it. So that's your 2 other solutions. Okay, next one. Okay, point is 2, negative 3, and slope equal to 1 over 2. Okay, so you got 2, negative 3, and this one you have to go up 1, go over 2, right? So you go up 1. Okay, I'm going to make more over here. So go up 1, go over 2, go up 1, go over 2. Okay, so that this would be 9. Okay, so go up 1 over 2. So this point would be would be 1, 2. So it would be 4, comma, negative 2, and this point would be need to extend it a bit more. Okay. Oh wait, this is 4, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, and this point would be 6, comma, negative 1. Okay. So again, when you go up 2, go up 1, so you increase by 1, go over 2, up 1 over 2, right? So this would be the other two possible answers. Okay.